Welcome to Sarmilan Chess. In today's video, I am going to show you another interesting chess game. In Alien Gambit, French Defense Rep 1. I am going to give you two different chess rep in Alien Gambit French Defense. Let's go to the rep number 1 in French Defense Rep. Let's go to the rep number 1. Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome to Sarmilan Chess. In today's video, I am going to show you beautiful chess rep in Alien Gambit French Defense Rep. This is rep number 1. In 20 moves, white wins by checkmate. Please watch until finish this video because this is very nice and very popular chess rep in chess. Okay, let's go to the rep number 1. First move is e4. White played e4. This is whole king's pawn opening. Then black played e6. This is called French defense. Okay, this is called French defense. The second move of white pawn go to d4. Okay, now white played beautiful moves. Then black push the pawn to d5. Okay, black pawn push the d5. Then knight go to d2. Okay, now you can see this pawn attack this pawn. In the same time, this knight defend the pawn. Okay, we will see how to handle this match. Black pawn take the pawn, then knight take the pawn. We will see how to handle this match. Black. Now black chain. Black knight go to f6. Okay, now black knight go to f6. Now attack the knight while the knight. Okay, you can see now this knight attack this knight. That's why white knight go to g5 here. Okay, knight go to g5. Okay, in this case black decided to push his pawn to h6. Now attack the knight while the black pawn. We will see how to white moves. Okay, now white knight cross f7. Now you can see this knight fork the queen. In the same time the rook. If king take the white knight, that's it. In some moves white wins by checkmate. Okay, let's go to the seventh move of white knight go to f3. Okay, then black knight bd7. Then white bishop go to d3. Now attack the h7 squares. Okay, we will see how to handle this match. Black push his bishop to d6. Okay, then white make a beautiful castling. Okay, now white kings are so safe right now. That's why this game easily won the game white. Okay, now ninth move of black chain. Black rook go to e8. Okay, we will see now this rook attack this line. Okay, then you can see how to move white rook go to e1. Okay, now attack the pawn. This rook attack this pawn, but cannot cut because there is a rook. Okay, now black king go to g8. Okay, then white piece knight go to e5. Okay, If bishop take the e5 for knight, that's it. In some moves, white wins by checkmate. You can see. Now the 12th move of white. White pawn take the bishop, then attack the knight by the pawn. Now 2 space. Knight can score. Only this space or this space. This knight go to there or there. We will see. Come to can this much black. Black push the. We will see. Black push the knight to d5. Okay. Now knight come to d5. This is the big mistake he did. Black did a big mistake. Then another move of the 13th move of white queen go to g4. Then king go to h8. Now you can see this particular chess video. White has this bishop attack this line. In the same time, this bishop attack this pawn. We will see come to can this match. White. Now white bishop cross h6 pawn and okay, you can see now pawn is gone. If cut the bishop y the pawn, that's it. In some moves, white wins by checkmate. Another move of 15th move of queen go to g6. Only one is face. If black the checkmate with his knight, then beautiful move make queen cross f6 and beautiful check. If king go to g8, 16th move, rook come to here. Okay, rook go to e4, then beautiful move made white. Okay, then king go to f7, then rook go to g4. Now so many attack white cast. Okay, we will see. Knight go to g6. Okay, then beautiful move make queen cross g6 and beautiful check. If king go to e7, that's it. In one move, queen g7 and beautiful checkmate. That's it. That's why this game easily won white. Okay. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. If you are like this video, please write your comment below the comment section. And share your friends. If you like this video, share your friends also. Okay. Let's go to the rap number 2. Okay. Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome to Sarmilan Chess. This is rap number 2 in Alien Gambit French Defense. Draft 2. Okay. Please watch until finish this video because this video is very important video. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's go to the moves. First move is e4, king's pawn opening, e6, French defense, d4, d5, knight d2, d cross c4, knight cross e4, knight e6, knight g5. Now attack the f7 square's pawn. If push the pawn to h6, then wrap the cut the pawn by the knight. Then king got the knight. Then knight go to f3. In 17th move, white wins by checkmate. You can see how to white wins by checkmate. Okay. Now black chain. Black bishop go to d6. Then bishop go to d3. Then rook go to f8. We will see. Then beautiful castling he made white. Then king go to g8. Go back to g8. Then rook come to e1. Then knight go to c6. Then knight e5. If cut the knight by the bishop, then pawn take the knight. Bishop, sorry. Then knight go to d5. Then beautiful move. Queen go to g4. What? Black queen come to e7. If take the pawn by the bishop, he cannot cut because there is a queen. You can see now this pawn cannot cut this bishop because there is a queen. Okay. Then another move off. He puts the bishop to d7. Then queen go to g6. Okay. We will see how to count this match. In two moves, white wins white checkmate. Okay. Another move. He puts the bishop to e8. Then he puts the queen to h7 and check. Now king go to f7. Now cut the bishop g6 and beautiful checkmate. Okay, total this game, white win easily. Okay, if you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. God bless everyone. Thank you. Bye bye.